Hello guys, in this video I am going to talk about top 10 high paying tech skills. First and foremost is very important tech skill you need to learn if you want to artificial intelligence and machine. In machine learning, deep learning and AI so famous in nowadays every day to day. We are listening about the ChatGPT, listening about the artificial intelligence, listening about the machine learning, deep learning, all this stuff. So if you are so much interested on artificial intelligence and machine, go for it. And this is very high pay skill and it is nowadays and you go for it. Have been high demand. Now, next one is cloud computing. So cloud computing, there are three different ones. One is AWS cloud computing, Azure cloud computing, GCP, okay, Google cloud platform. So Google cloud platform also is very, but in AWS is a little bit in more famous is compared to Azure and GCP. And which one you want to? For Azure is for .NET and the GCP for everything. You can use it in utilizing it. So cloud technologies, including expertise platforms such as Amazon App Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google platform. Which one you want? But remaining a crucial business migrate to the cloud. So which one you want, you can go for it, but you can do the some certifications, guys, for this one. But they are paying a very high. There are few cloud. AWS is particularly we have solution architect, we have in cybersecurity, we have in so many things. Azure or GCP, which one? So you can go for it. This one also high demand, and they are paying a very high payment nowadays. So next one is the blockchain development. Blockchain development is particularly for cryptocurrencies application has lead demand for developers skilled in creating decentralized applications and smart contracts. So if you want to learn this one, go for it. This one also very high demand and as well as high payment if you want to learn. And next one is the cybersecurity, keeping safe and online. So this is another high demand one, guys. Really is in I want to learn it this one, but and I did not get a time to do it that one. But in this is the one of the best cybersecurity architects have been in high demand in current market. If you want to learn, you can do it, and otherwise you can do AWS, Azure, or GCP. Learn one certification and go for it and apply and get the job, and they will pay very good payment. Specifically for this one, cyber threats, roles such as the ethical hacker, security analytics, cyber security architects, and there are so many are there. Just you can learn it and go for it. Next is the DevOps and continuous integration and continuous dev. This is the another high demand one. DevOps is the practices and expertise in tools Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins, Terraform, along with the CI/CD pipeline, are essential for streamlining software development process. So if you are in a software developer and this is easy to jump on the DevOps, guys, and DevOps is CI/CD is the one of the best tools because in a day-to-day work, developers need to do continuous integration of their application, continuous deployment there. This tool is very important and there is a separate team all the time. If you are a developer, if you're learning DevOps and along with, and if you put it in that one in your resume, your CV, and definitely this is on high demand and high payment and outside you can demand in more money as. Next is the full stack app development. As usual, I'm a full stack developer, however. So languages, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node.js, Express.js, and Nest.js, Python, PHP, Java, .NET, Ruby, Go. One you want to learn is the front end specifically is the high demand one. So I noted down on only few of them, guys. React.js, AngularJS, Vue.js, Tailwind CSS, Bootstrap, Style Component. This is very high demand. In the backend, Node.js, Express or Nest.js, Python and Django, .NET, Java. These are all which one you want to choose. You can learn it, but in my prefer is Python and Node.js and .NET. Which one? But Java is a little bit vast and .NET also vast subject. And if you want to learn, you can go for learn it. But Python and Node.js very straightforward, very easy to start, and you can go for it in and go for the database. I love the PostgreSQL and SQL Server, MongoDB for NoSQL. DynamoDB is for key value fair document store. So the AWS that specifically. So which one you want to go for it, you can go for it. And full stack developers who are proficient in both front end and back end technologies, along with knowledge of popular frameworks, have been highly valued. Which one you want? But in the high demand, guys. Nowadays is either full stack developer or front end or back end. Which one you want to go? But they are going to full stack means they are going to pay in high payment. So next is the data science and big data technology. Data science and big data is the nowadays is machine learning, artificial intelligence is depend on data science. People only can do a lot of data things, data analysis, big data technology such as Apache Hadoop or Apache Spark or the sought after for leveraging large data sets. So is required in data science people. So in that case, in big data and the data science is really is one of the demand skills now in the market. And if you want to learn in data science and big data, you are going to get in very good money and good payment for your salary perspective. So go for and learn the data science and big data. So if you are interested. So next is I love to do this one. So the Flutter and React Native for particularly for mobile apps. Flutter and React Native is both are compatible, guys. In React, I love the React Native. I never worked on Flutter, but Flutter also is very famous nowadays. But in your high demand in the market, mobile app development skills for both iOS and Android platforms using the frameworks like in React Native and Flutter have been demanded in nowadays. That's what in you can choose which one you want to. If you are in React developer, React Native is easy. Go for it. If you are not in React developer or Shift, or if you do Kotlin or something, Flutter is easy and you go for it. Flutter. So which one you want to choose, you can go and choose it, guys. Doesn't matter, but in high demand the market. So next is the containerization and microservices architecture. There are two things are there. One is the Kubernetes and the Docker, as well as the microservices architecture. Proficiency in the containerization technologies like Docker orchestration, tools like Kubernetes, as well as understanding microservices architecture has been valuable and scalable and maintainable application. This is the another demandable things, Docker and Kubernetes for the microservices architecture, guys. So if you are in either backend developer, or if you done in Java with monolithic application, and if your company doing in microservices with using a different infrastructure, I am suggesting you guys to learn in deeply and put it in your resume about the Kubernetes microservice. It is demandable in your resume, very demandable resume, and then definitely they will go to give you a high payment. You can demand also in a market, and they will go to pay for it. I hope that's all, guys. Please choose wisely which one you want to, but there is no particular one to learn it, and based on there is a pros and cons to learn it, guys. But in my suggestion is going to choose wisely which one you want to, which area you are interested. If you are in data guy, go for the learn data side, big data, data science, and all this stuff is there. If you are in a coding side, and go for the front end, back end, or something. And otherwise in security side, cybersecurity, or which one you want to choose, you can choose wisely and go for it and learn that particular one. And that's all, guys, in this video. We'll catch up in another video. Thank you guys for watching my